guys, part 2 of the kitty that we saw in part 1. That she was like, it's the mother of the kitten that we saw in the part 1. And look how big it is. Look.
Me too.
Huh? This is my papa. Very ugly papa. Very ugly. And this is my kitchen. Uju. Papa. See. She is very fat. That's why she can't even look herself. Perfect. Look. This has other color than that, but it's cuter than that. She's very fat. Try to look. Look.
अच्छा इतनी बड़ी वीडियो
हाँ?
इतनी बड़ी वीडियो बना दी
हाँ?
पागल है ये छोटी शॉर्ट रील्स आती इतनी बड़ी कौन देखेगा
बनती है।
काट के दोबारा बना नहीं बना फिर ऐसे एक ही मत बना कई बना दे